Oh, how splendid it is to indulge myself into a great read. What a great novel. Oh heavens, it appears it's raining. Why am I? It's raining? That means I don't gotta read this dumb book no more. You dumb book. Alright, what to do now? It's raining outside. Oh, wait a minute. Daddy always said.
Jeffy, I'm so sick of you spending your money on garbage. Save it for like a rainy day or something.
Oh, like Daddy said, save my money for a rainy day. Alright, gotta go find a wallet. Well, got the wallet. Daddy always said the truth. Feels great.
Oh, hey, Jeffy, there you are.
Hey, Daddy, what doing? I was just using your advice.
Wait, you were playing outside? Ah, good for you, Jeffy.
Yeah, I was playing out in the rain. That's what I was doing.
Well, that's good. I've been telling you to read more and play outside. You're doing good so far.
Yep, thanks, Daddy. I'm gonna go play Fortnite now.
No, you're gonna play Fortnite?
Yup.
Well, you were playing outside and reading your book, so I guess you can have some Fortnite time.
Ah, great. I'm gonna go buy V-Bucks, too.
Well, maybe not that. Wait a minute. What's that in the road?
What is that? Wait a minute. Is that a wallet? Did someone lose their wallet? Oh, I better go see who it belongs to. Wait a minute. Is that my wallet? Wait, how'd it get out here? Wait a minute. Jeffy didn't actually think I meant save his money for a rainy day. That's not even his money, that's my money. I guess I better check inside and hope no money's gone. There's nothing in there. I gotta check the street for my money. My money! Jeffy, you're so stupid! I didn't mean to throw your money in the street when it rains, and that's not even your money, that's my money! Ugh. I can't believe Jeffy lost all the money in my wallet! That kid's gonna get it! Wait a minute. There's still some money left. Yes, I'm not completely broke. I
can't believe Jeffy made me lose all that money. There was $100 all down the drain. That's like an entire mortgage. Oh, how am I gonna pay it off? Jeffy! Jeffy, where are you? Jeffy?